My topic is all about customer shopping mechanisms, web stores, malls, and portals. So, several kinds of interaction exist among sellers, buyers, and e-marketplaces. The major business to customer mechanisms are web stores and internet and malls. So, first here is the web store or storefront. Refers to a single companies for individual sellers website where products and service are sold. Web store may target an industry allocation or a niche market. The web store may be belong to a manufacturer. Example kay kanang Amazon. Tas ang Amazon is retailer, di ba siya? Then ang Amazon kay na siya lahi-lahi nga mga manufacturer. Some companies refer their web stores as portals. Then next, microsites is a web page that acts as a supplement to a primary website but it is external to it. It expands on the content by adding editorial, commercial, videos, or educational and training material. So, kining microsite, usually, it consists just one page siya bitaw. Kanang mura bitaw siya teaser kung sa salida pa, used to attract conversation for a specific task or email sign-ups. Next is electronic mall. It's an online shopping location where many stores present their catalogs. The mall charges commission from the seller based on their sales volume. So, ang electronic malls can be considered as online mall. So, kung naabitaw tayo physical mall, iyaha na yung online shopping ana mo na ang iyahang online mall which is the electronic malls. Then, next is the web information portal. Is a single point access through a web browser. Critical business information located it's inside and outside of the organization. Then, portals is an information gateway that is used in e-marketplaces, web stores, and other types of e-commerce. So, example dayon ani niya kay e-collaboration and e-learning. Portals can assume many shapes. One way to distinguish among them is to look at their content, which can vary from narrow to broad, and their community or audience, which can also differ. And nadayoy different types ang portals. First is the commercial public portals. These portals offers content for anyone, although they can be customized by the user. They are still intended for broad audiences and offer fairly routine content in some real time. So ang example bitaw ani kay kuan Yahoo and Google. The next is the corporate private portals. Corporate portals provide organized access to internet corporate information, known as enterprise portals or enterprise information portals. So, ang example nga naa kay diri sa book kay WebSphere Portal Family. The next is the patient portal. Several companies offer patient portals, for example, WebMD and UCLA Health.org. Patients have access to their personal information and it also allows communication between patients and caregiver. So, kaning nga portal, pwede ka makakommunicate. Next is the publishing portals. Intended for communities with specific interest involve relatively little customization of content. So, kini siya, however, kini nga portal provide extensive online search features and some interactive capabilities. Next is the mobile portals. Are portals that are accessible from mobile devices. So, example nga nasa book is iMode. So, unsa ang iMode? So, sa research nako, ang iMode is proprietary technology that allows nga matransfer to and from internet sites gamit ang mobile phones. Next is the voice portals. Are websites usually portals with audio interface? This means that they can be accessed by a standard telephone or a cell phone. Kini siya nga portal both gamit ni siya og speech recognition and text to speech. Next is the knowledge portals. Knowledge portals enable easy access to knowledge by company employees and facilitate collaboration. So, kining knowledge portal is internet-based ni siya. Single point of access to organizational knowledge and knowledge extensive application. Next is board portals. These portals support decision making. The next, community portals. These are usually parts of online communities. They are dedicated to some theme and may be sponsored by a vendor such as Sony. So ang example din nga naa sa nga gikuan sa Sony kay game.spot.com.
Afternoon, everyone. I will be discussing about the role and value of intermediaries in e-marketplaces. So first, let us define intermediaries. So unsa man ni siya? It is various intermediate organization mainly exist in the market, regulating trade between producers, consumers, and their information, products, and services. So intermediaries is a person or organization na galink between a seller and buyer. In short, mauni sila ang atong ginatawag na mediators or the middlemen. So example is the retailers, brokers, and wholesalers. So naay duha ka type of online intermediaries. So unsa man ni sila? First is the brokers. So brokers is a person or company that facilitates transaction between buyers and sellers. So example ani is ang Amazon and Shopee. So naay different types of brokers. First is ang trading. Mao ni siya ang company that aids online trading. So example is ang eBay. Next is the organization of online malls. Kani siya is a company nga organize og daghang online stores in one place. So example is sa Lazada, di ba sa Lazada daghan kaayong mga kining mga sellers, online sellers. And then next is the comparison agent. Kani siya is a company nga gatabang sa mga consumers to compare prices and ga-encourage po ni sila og mga comments or kaning reviews, and then napod ni ga-provide po sila og kaning customer agent for the queries sa mga consumers. Next is the shopping aids provider. Kani siya is company nag-help online shopping by providing payments. So, payments, shopping, and security para sa global shoppers. So, example is ang Amazon International. So, bisag na ka sa Philippines, pwede ka makapalit og product sa Amazon because ga-offer sila og global shopping and different payment methods. So, another type of online intermediaries is the infomediaries. So, unsa man ning infomediaries? So, infomediaries is an intermediaries that aggregate information from multiple e-commerce retailers and provide services of searching and comparison for internet customers. So kani siya na intermediary is gatabang sa customers to deal sa online vendors more efficiently and effectively. Tapos kuan pud siya, third party provider of unbiased information. So example sa infomediary is Facebook. 'Di ba known siya for personalized na ad. So it means na ang personal information, if FB user ka kay gina-collect, and then ang information is gigamit for kanang for advertising, 'di ba? Matingala na lang ta kung ga-search tag mga inani, tapos ang manggawas kay kuan connected na pud ato ang mga gipang search. Next is the B2B distributor, which is a special type of intermediaries. So, B2B or business to business electronic distributor. So, kani siya is it connects manufacturers with business buyers such as retailers. So, e-distributors. So, it aggregate product information from many manufacturers in the e-distributors catalog. So, example ani is ang Alibaba. Di ba diri sa Alibaba is makakonect ang mga consumers, retailers, or wholesalers sa diretso sa manufacturer. So, next is Easy Merchant server software. So, kani siya, it includes several tools and platforms that are intended to facilitate the electronic trading process. So, ang main function sa Easy Merchant server software is kanang pag-process sa bayad, tax, shipping, kanang invoicing, and kanang authorization sa kanang payment method, ana bitaw. So, example ani is ang katong Microsoft Commerce Server dayon kanang sa ambot unsay gigamit anang sa Shopee. Next is the electronic catalog. It consists of a product database directly and presentation function. So kani siya is backbone ni siya of most e-commerce sales site kay diri merchants kay kanang maka-provide silang advertisement, na-promote nilang ilaang mga products, tapos for customers pod kay makakuan sila diri, makabalo sila sa mga information sa product and services. Next is types of e-commerce searches. So, unsa man ni sila? First is the internet web, which is familiar tang tanan and pinaka-popular sa e-commerce searches. So di ba example ana is ang Google, Yahoo. Second is the enterprise search. So kani siya is search for information within the files and databases and organizations. So example ani is ang katong Microsoft Bing and kanang Google Search Appliance or the GSA. Third type of e-commerce searches is the desktop search. So desktop search, So from the name itself, desktop, so kani siya is a search sa personal computer, like kana bitaw mag-search ka for files or documents sa imong drive disk, sa imong may computer, ana bitaw. So that would be all. Thank you.